video editing. Now, I know this is the class most of you, in fact, all of you have been waiting for, and I'm excited because video editing is one skill that, if you know it, can generate you more money. Or if you're a content creator, video editing is one thing that can, skyrocket your content quality. Now, you've seen some of my videos. If I show you the before video, you will see that with editing, quality is assured. Now, in the course of this very video, I'll be telling you some things you need to know about video editing. Number one, we'll start to talk about how do you really shoot your video. Shooting a video, we'll be talking about the ISO, we'll talk about the shutter, we'll talk about the white balance, as the case may be. So there are some settings, even while using your phone to shoot. There are some settings you need to carry out on your video camera before you start shooting. You don't just pick a phone and you start shooting. No, it doesn't work like that. There are settings. Now, you say quality videos out there. It doesn't really matter the kind of camera you use. I know some of you say, I don't have an iPhone, I don't have a digital camera. No, it doesn't matter the kind of camera you use in shooting your video. What really matters is how you edit this very video. I've seen people shoot a full movie using iPhone 6, but after editing, you'll be thinking they used a digital camera. So these are what I'll be telling you. I'll be telling you how you can start editing your video, the kind of software you need to use in editing your video: CapCut, Premiere Pro, Filmora, as the case may be. So whether you are using a laptop or you are using a mobile phone, you can edit your video. So sometimes I'm going to be using my laptop, and sometimes I'm going to be using my mobile phone in teaching you how to edit this very video. So if you know you've missed out from other classes, I beg you, do not miss out from this video editing, because every day you are going to edit your videos. If you want to be a professional content creator or a podcaster or an influencer, video quality matters a lot. It matters a lot. If you know you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, you are missing a lot. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever we release the next video, you'll be the first person to see this very video. Without any further ado, let's go straight to the topic of the day. Now, before we talk about editing your videos, let's talk about shooting your videos. How do you really shoot your video? Now, you will have a mobile phone or you have a digital camera. You want to shoot your video. What are the gadgets you need, or what are the equipment you need for shooting your video in order to achieve quality output? The most important thing when shooting video is lighting. Light. Some of you shoot video without light. Now, even in this my very video you are watching right now, my light is not that very full. I don't have all the light that I need for the now. I'm just making do of my 2 lights. But if you want a good output, like I said, it doesn't matter the kind of gadget you are using in shooting your video. Whether you are using Android phone, iPhone, or digital camera, if your light is poor, trust me, you will not get good output. If I should off my light now facing me, you'll see that my face will be dark. So whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, lighting is very important. So I'm going to be telling you some lighting you need to get. If you have the resources, if you have the funds, get this light. Now, if you get this light, it doesn't matter the kind of phone you are using in shooting. What you need the most is this light. Number one light you need to get is LED light, which is you are seeing on this very screen. If you have the resources, get these 2 LED lights. All you need to do is face one from this side and face the other one from this very side. Number 2 light you need to get is called RGB LED light. Now, you can face that one facing you like this, or you can bounce it on the wall to give you a fill color. In the course of this video, I'll be teaching you how you can do that. Or if you don't have the money to afford LED light, I'll teach you how you can improvise. Number 3 equipment you need to get is called diffusion. Now, diffusion is this gadget that actually calm your face. Most photographers actually use this diffusion. It helps to regulate your lighting. If you face the normal light on your face, the light will be hard on your face. But with the help of diffusion, everything will be cool. Your face will be very smooth. This is when you see a photographer will shoot a video or will shoot a picture, you see that picture will be very clean. It is with the help of diffusion. Another equipment you need is mic. Now we have podcast mic, we have pinned mic. Like what is on my chest now is pinned mic. With $10 or $15, you can actually get this very mic. The reason why you need this mic is so that your output can be cool. Now you are hearing my voice now. If I show off this mic and speak, you see that even the room I am right now, it has echo. But after editing and everything, this is the output you are hearing. Is that okay? If you know you don't have the resources to get all these things, you see the natural light that is coming from your window. All you need to do is face your camera opposite yourself, sitting in front of the window like this. If your window is in your front, make sure this one is facing you like this. Is that okay? Then shoot your video so that the light can bounce to your face. It is very, very important. Now, this will kill any form of shadow or any form of, any form of dark environment on your very video. Can you use your Folocom camera to shoot your video? Can I use an external app to shoot my videos? If you want to use your Folocom camera here and you want to shoot your video, the default setting that is on your video, you can't really control them, like your ISO, your shutter, your white balance, as the case may be. You can't really control them. So that is why it is not really advisable all the time if you want to shoot a commercial and a professional video for you to use your phone camera. No, we recommend you using external camera. There are external apps here, so I'm going to put them on the screen so that you see them. Now, if you are using an iPhone, you can go for this very app. But if you are using an Android phone, you can just go to Play Store, download an external camera app that has these features on the screen. Before you shoot, you need to always set your ISO. Is that okay? You need to set your ISO. Number 2, you need to set your shutter. Number 3, you need to set your white balance. Now, if you look at my background, I have a white background. So I need to set the white background so that it can actually bring out the white in this very video. If you don't set the white background, trust me, everything will just, come out in a color that you don't like. Most times, if you go outside, you want to shoot an outdoor, video, you see that the brightness and everything, you will not get the originality of that very video unless you set the white balance. So whether you are using a digital camera, you are using a phone, you must always set your camera before you shoot. If not, it will go back to the default setting. This is why we advise using an external app so that you can control your ISO, you can control your shutter, you can control your white balance, as the case may be. Now that we've talked about how you can shoot your video, so I believe right now you can actually shoot your video and you know how to do your settings and everything. So now let's talk about video editing in proper. How do you start editing your videos? What softwares or what application do you need in editing your video? So these are what I'll be telling you from this very class. Now, I recommend you using either CapCut, Filmora, or Adobe Premiere Pro. These softwares, they are on your laptop and they are on your phone, which is Android phone or iPhone. So it depends on what you are using. Now, in the course of this very training, I'll be using my laptop to teach you. So you can actually use this on your phone, and I'll be using CapCut. You can get CapCut application on your phone. Go to Play Store, get CapCut, or go to App Store, get CapCut on your mobile phone. Now, when you open your CapCut, you are going to see this very interface. You see this very interface. So the next thing you need to do is create a project. Now, once you click on create a project, it's going to take you to the environment of that very project you want to work on. Now, this is my CapCut environment. You must understand how to use this very environment. So if this is the first time you are actually coming across CapCut, trust me, it is easy and user-friendly when it comes to video editing. You can use Filmora, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro, but for the purpose of this training, I'll be using CapCut because it is simple for everybody to use. The same features you are seeing on the laptop is still the same features you'll be getting on your mobile phone. So once you open an environment like this, the next thing is for you to import the video you want to work on. So I'll just go and bring out a rough video I have not worked on before. Let me say this. So after uploading the video you've just shot, all you need to do is drag it to this very environment. Now, once you drag it to this very environment, the next thing you need to do is expand this very place. You zoom it here. You zoom it. So now, cut out the place you don't need at the beginning. So I'm just going to drag it to this place. This is where my video actually started from. Then you click on this very split, and you delete this very first beginning because we don't really need this very beginning. Now, the next thing you need to do is boost your volume. If your volume is down, boost the volume. So I'll just click here and boost my volume up like this. Is that okay? Now, the next thing you need to do, if there are background noise on that very video, definitely there are background noise. So you need to click on this very audio and scroll down to this very reduce noise. Click on reduce noise. Now, if you are using your mobile phone, you see that this reduce noise, it might show pro. It is not free. That is CapCut for you. So that's why I'm using desktop version, so that sometimes this pro, it doesn't appear. So I use this reduce noise. Now, after reducing the noise, the next thing, which is the important thing, is our color grading. That is where your work starts from when it comes to video editing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop here. I will not want to scatter your head right now. Is that okay? In our next class, we'll dive into proper video editing. So just take this as introduction to video editing, and trust me, it's going to be an exciting one. It's going to be an amazing one. So I don't want you to miss out from the very next class. All you need to do, if you don't want to miss out, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, like this video, share this video, go to the comment section, ask your question, drop a comment. I'll come and give you answers to those very questions on the comment section. Whether you are a content creator, whether you are a comedian, or you want to go into full-time video editing, trust me, this course will benefit you. We may not really go into 100%, but what I'm going to teach you is going to help you to skyrocket the quality of your videos when it comes to content creation. I will see you in my next video.